In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to recover your Minecraft account without access to an email. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you need to recover your Minecraft account and you cannot use your email, either because you forgot or you lost it or you don't have access to it anymore, you will need to contact the Minecraft Help Center customer support and follow through with this page. In order to find this page, simply look for Minecraft Contact Us on Google and access the second link under help.minecraft.net. As you can see over here, help.minecraft.net Contact Us request. You will be automatically redirected to this page, and in here you have to include as much information as possible regarding the issue that you are having with your email. So, on the game title, select which edition of Minecraft you play on, the platform, the category, which should be account support, and then on the subject, simply select change account information. As you can see, no suggested articles will appear, and from this point onwards, you have to include the contact information. This is important because this is how Mojang is going to talk to you and help you recover your account without access to its email. After you fill out all the requested information, you can include an image and submit this, and they will talk to you back by using the email you provided over here. As you can see on this help article, this is the suggested way to do this, because if you forgot or no longer have access to an email address, you might have used Contact the Minecraft Support, which is this page. I hope I was able to help you on how to recover a Minecraft account without email. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.